Good morning, children. It is nice to see you because I want to see your smiles. I want to see all the beautiful things you are doing. Now, who can tell me which is the agenda for today? Let's see if you can help me. Look, today is Tuesday, May the 19th, 2020. But yesterday, in the past, remember, who can tell me what day was yesterday? Oh, I am listening to you. Very good. It was Monday. Good answer. Now, who can tell me what day will be tomorrow? Yeah, very good. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And in the English school, today is day 4. Now, let's see. Who can tell me what's the weather like? Today is a sunny day, but near my house it is not a sunny day. Today I have here a cloudy day. Yes, very good. It's a cloudy day. And this morning at the beginning of the day, it was a rainy day. It was not a windy day. It was not a foggy day. No, no, no. It is at this moment, it is a cloudy day. No sun, no rainy. No, it is not a rainy day right now, but it is not a cloudy day. So right now, at this moment, it is a cloudy day near my home. Now, who can tell me what's the weather like near your homes? Let's continue. The agenda for today, the classes that we are going to have are this. At the beginning of the day, we're going to have PE class, and this one will be a virtual class, so be ready because you are going to enjoy PE class with Mr. Silva. After PE class, you are going to have a Spanish class with Miss Andrita Cataño, and then remember you have to wash your hands and be ready for having a delicious snack. After the snack, we are going to have mathematics. After mathematics, language. After language, lunch. And after lunch, fine motor skills. It is important to take into account that during this snack time, we are going to meet together. So you and me, Miss Patty, is going to be with you in a meeting, and I am going to be really, really happy. And listen, for these fine motor skills, you need a special item. So be ready and tell your parents that they have to read the agenda because you need some colors, glue, you need wool, lana, you need yes, palitos de pinchos. Okay, because we are going to do a beautiful and wonderful thing. It's a surprise. I am not going to tell you anything else. No, no, no. Okay. Now, please, you are ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start our day. Bye bye, children.